Old dude gave us about everything I could even ask for this thing. Even this piece of shit, but spot parts, motor. What? A Reese's a day keeps the what away? The pain away. Wow. Yeah, let's crack this bitch open. Quick little food stop. Hey. Gas can. What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. As you seen earlier in the video, we picked up 2 new motors and a whole box of parts. Those motors were actually for their cord, so we can start building the bottom ends. Because I don't know if I mentioned before, the cord has a stock bottom end, but the head is fully built. It's all super tech. So now the next thing we want to do is move on to the block, start building the whole bottom end. But I didn't want to pull out the whole motor again after finishing up the head. I wanted to enjoy the car for a little bit and then go from there. So with these new motors that I just found on Marketplace, I'm going to start building these ones up, getting it all prepped and ready so we can swap it into the cord one after we have our fun. So I'm going to go ahead and start cracking this one open, start taking it all apart, and we're going to see how it looks on the inside. Before I hear any or see any comments or anything about how I'm working on the engine on the floor and blah, 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 this is the reason why. Yes, I have an engine stand, but I already have an engine on it. If I had another one, I would not be working on the floor. This is for my C10. It's already all put back together, soon to be put back in the C10. But yes, this is why I am not working on the engine stand. Alright, so now that everything is out, pistons, rods, crankshaft, everything like I was showing before, I just want to give you guys an idea of what will be happening with this block. So this block is actually just for the cord, so when the cord wants to say bye-bye and those pistons don't want to give me no help no more, that's what this one's for. So we're going to get the block rated out to be obviously high horsepower, just stronger pistons and rods, all stronger parts on the block, so the bottom end is all pretty much bulletproof. Then after that, since my head is already built on the cord, probably just throw that head right onto it, throw a stay-true cam into it, and see what power we make. Another thing I want to show you guys was how these cylinder walls look actually. Get that to focus a little bit. All of them actually look really decent. I cannot lie about that one bit. You can see this one. Sorry about that. Get it to focus. There you can see. They all look really good actually. Alright, I think that's all for tonight. I'm gonna go and clean up. My face is all dirty, the floor is all dirty, so I'm gonna get everything all together. I'm gonna thank you guys for watching, keeping up with this video. I'll tell you guys, like, share, and subscribe please if you did enjoy the content I shared today. And there will be plenty more like this. Thank you again.